The night before, Adnan Syed was set to go before a judge to have his conviction officially reduced. A bombshell from City State's Attorney Ivan Bates.
In a press release, Bates announced he is withdrawing the motion to vacate Syed's conviction, a motion made by his predecessor, Marilyn Mosby. 11 News anchor Jason Newton is at the live desk for us tonight to explain a dizzying night in this case. Lots of layers to this, Jason.
Yeah, dizzying indeed. I'll handle this in pieces. First, the news tonight is interpretation. It's Bates versus his predecessor, Mosby. Marilyn Mosby moved to vacate Syed's murder conviction, but after looking at the case, current State's Attorney Bates says he found that the evidence wasn't there to support Mosby's claim. In his words, the case was full of, quote, false and misleading statements in the state's legal filings that undermine the judicial process. He later went as far as saying that Mosby lied, telling the court that there was an ongoing investigation into alternative suspects in Syed's case when there was no actual active investigation into these suspects. With all of that, Bates is no longer seeking to withdraw the conviction. Meanwhile, a motion from Syed's attorneys is set to be heard tomorrow. This is based on what's called the Juvenile Reduction Act, or JRA. It basically says Syed did at least 20 years for a crime that he was accused of as a child and has since turned his life around, and that his sentencing should be reduced possibly to time served. What's interesting is, despite withdrawing Mosby's motion, Bates's office, they support this motion. So the real question you're all wondering, could Syed potentially go back to jail?
If she wants time to consider the motions, she may say, look, the status quo is that he's been out and we've had no problems with that, so she'll continue to keep him out. I think that's the most likely thing to happen. But he certainly walks in not ever 100% confident that he won't be remanded. I think that's less likely, but is a possibility.
And we spoke to two lawyers tonight who each agree, sure, it is possible, but not probable that he'd go back to prison, with the state's attorney's office supporting that JRA. So why does this move come tonight? A legal analyst says perhaps it's an opportunity for Bates to be on the record with this case, with his administration not being the one that tried it initially. Bates expected to be in court tomorrow, and chances are, with all the attention that this case has gotten, the world will be watching.